Good evening, friends. Today we talk about a beautiful nosode. The name of the nosode is carcinosin. The carcinosin is prepared from the mammary glands of the cancerous patient. Today we discuss some important keynotes of the carcinosin. The first very beautiful keynote of the carcinosin is the child of the carcinosin is very hyperactive. This is the one of the key feature of this remedy is that the child is very hyperactive and restless. The other symptom is excessive hair. Excessive hairs are on the neck and the back. The body of the carcinosin patient is hairy, specifically on the neck and the back area. The third one keynote of the carcinosin patient is a family history of cancer. History of cancers and tumors is commonly found in the family. There is another symptom causeless insomnia. The child is sleeplessness and also the sleep is not sound or restful. There is a history of recurrent inflammatory infections in early development years. The sleeping position of the carcinosin patient is sleeping in a knee chest position. There is a great desire to sleep in the knee to chest position. The patient is fastidious. The child is either very cautious about cleanliness and hygiene. There is a family history of diabetes. The family history of the diabetes is another critical feature of this remedy. The child of the carcinosin is very obstinate. Carcinosin is extremely helpful in cases where the kids are stubborn and tend to throw temper. Tinnitus. The patient of the carcinosin loves traveling. The child is very happy outside the house and likes to travel. Now, the last keynote of the carcinosin is highly talented baby. The child is very highly talented. Great creativity and artistic skills can be another characteristic feature of this remedy. At last, we talk about the aggravation and amelioration. The patient feels better in the C area. C area brings about important symptoms where the child either gets aggravated by expressed to see air or feels better. It seems to be an important keynote symptom of the carcinosin. So friends, today we talk about some important keynote symptom of the carcinosin patient. Hope you understand. Thank you.